There are few cars in automotive history that rival the 427-powered Shelby Cobra, an automotive legend for the select few. However, thanks to the world of replicas, the somewhat common man has been able to enjoy what the Cobra is all about. Replica quality can be hit or miss, but Backdraft Racing's RT4B Black Edition Roadster is one of the best. This hand-built homage is available to add to your garage via AutoHunter. Let's start with the basics. Power comes from a built 427 cubic inch V8, topped by a Holley Terminator fuel injection system. Other features include matte black ceramic-coated headers connected to matching side pipes. The gearbox is a 5-speed manual, a nice upgrade from the original Cobra. Output is a stout 519 horsepower at the rear wheels. All that power needs the right rubber to handle it. Luckily, this Roadster's 18-inch matte black knockoff wheels are wrapped in Nitto radial tires. Keeping things planted is a 4-wheel independent suspension with front coilovers that offer adjustable ride height and firmness, and a multi-link independent rear setup equipped with adjustable coilovers. The optional GT body is finished in slate blue with black stripes and a blackout package that adds a variety of powder and ceramic-coated parts. Take a look at the cockpit and you'll see a pair of heated, diamond-stitched black leather seats. In addition to that touch of modern luxury, this Backdraft Racing Roadster features all the things you'd expect in a Cobra, such as quick-release seat belts and an array of gauges that keep you informed at all times. If you've wanted a Cobra replica for a while, just know that you only have until noon Pacific time on Friday, September 29th to place the winning bid on this Backdraft Racing RT4B Black Edition Roadster. And you can only do that by heading to AutoHunter.com.